Ratinam rati amanya gange ndi bane natinam bane ratinam amanya gange ndi ratinam okija waye yanjura wabura abwinti ratinam no promoting Roy G na Kachechi. Ratinam no muhajizi wa Roy G. Ratinam ni project. Ratinam abwinti ni bakozesa kwita show ninga kugwisa show ya Nikiri Kembo, kugwisa show ya Omega. Ratinam abwinti no kozesebwa kurwanisa show ya Truth. Ratinam abwinti ni bakozesa kuya relevance na nabantu kuba bibatandika kurira music y'abana baburenje bwizoba kugira ngo hati bajiho attention n'abantu. Echo kubanza cyabyo na buryo mwe rukundebeje shaha ni tinkukiragamba simara gogera ni mumanyi kandi nyo enshonga zanje ntira kuzereza intellectuals abakwetegereza only great thinkers tizaba kadingu wachetegereza ejesha nyon beyazini ZDJ Serebu wambara haro kiraivu ebirebi ekirimuni trendinga ekikubacheroho Ratinam ekirovare Brother Sparks na nondijo ariko yeta Mistansi chamare bironka bishatu ninyendiwe rwoko rukundeba abanyankore batura binefumu bakugira ngo bandogere ni waruga iwe garuka yostame oreba mane gira ate na mari ukozese orebe na nabantu ba discussing ingere yaguma umuntu yareta topic ndijo naenda mugarra obusajobo bwantama no wari kwetororera hati na social media marketeers abindi akuba mwine kumanye arwentane segiya social media arwentane se ne kuba mwahore ba bloggers influencers na social media marketeers abindi ni ba social media marketeers abandi ni ba fans b'abantu but kambanze marire nshonga ya Ratinam na nabariho abari muno bakora ezezo live ekimwine kumanya you're not adding anything, you're not fighting for the industry, actually you're doing what exactly Roy G wants. Monopolists abasomero economics monopolists nanaenda owning territory yarum yone begiye yiburyo mwabe namwitiriza muninga ba dictators kujanti buri kintu cyone kirimu kibe ncetororera ari obane kibobane kirunje buri dacika abene we yagambwa timuri muko murwanisa kuya muri mwongera man kuruga rasti ya obu tipo rakora show ebyesho nyontwire ni mforogo nge muntu rukuzo mu kankastama kuruga kasheshe mpaka omwazi nantine omurimo gono gunkuzakora umutawu ninga ntakuza mfield nka following up music nka following up nkakora research abana music yone yiba bene bashoza kuruga rasti ya buri music yo mwana oba no muto no mukuru audience be yatandika kujakira namani mingi recently abana barurizinjire music Prince Emma Waroyo ashowize cheshongurutsi kine video ikakorerwa Burundi. You're not giving that attention, and this one goes to abagurukire abari mune bagurukira ejeji ebintu bya ejejo rayivejo ebintu byirate na mareseri simba jika kaeza kururizinga echeshongoro kirunji na agaba banjo abeshongozi barurizinjire music kandi abantu bari mune bajakira abwenti mutakuhereza attention echecho. If you stand to say you're fighting for the industry, not fighting for following and views, not fighting for emitware, not fighting for to be known, akubani wono ndofu nabantu binje I very well know that kujeranti ebintu byinji nibitira kwerunda nabibi achibi echibi nitambura speed so Rayveji era yesterday ndebere ho Matt Henry nakushaba otagaruka Rayveji otagaruka ravejo wano ndamagara do what we discussed kore chitwa discussingire otagaruka ravejo ko kwimuka twasitamaje tukareba tukefumintiriza abakusinga yo kwetegereza abantu abina magezi buri kintu cyono ko kuba no kigambaho nono cyongera mani oba no kigambaho kubininga kurundi. And I want to let you know that omubanta abakusinga yo kuba smart, abantu abakubasinga yo kuba bagezi ni Luigi owa kabiri ombeshongo zakishware no kangambira abeshongo ombeshongo zaba okusinga ya magezi no kuba smart hano uyo muri burenje bwizoba ni Luigi owa kabiri ni Omega now as it stands. Kandi inkana kigambireho platform emwe n'abajanti nyowe mu Western Uganda omba analysts bona kabe batariki kabe ba MVP kabe ba abakubane bacira kuza panels ku discussing omujyawo bona nyoti n'urukunza mu one on one apart from hija Luigi niwe muntu unkubasa kuja kambanze nkakanemu akona asa kudefeedinga psychologically konka bandu bona kacheri wano gamba kintu nono chereza tenso kandi cya kabiri wene kumangurwe ni opportunist ejeshaye muri mukora byona hati wena areba opportunity yo kora mekintu chamani imwe ni mutekatega muri mukumurwanise. First of all ebe muri mukora ni bya attention abantu attention show ya Omega bari muri bagiye Ratinam na group yao emwe muri mukora byona abantu attention yashone yani kiri kembo ni mu diverting konke kirunde tiro ekinkundi rari nikiri nyuma akaya tandika kubikore bye bintu konka kurugabireka na comments na reception ya show yeyi ombantu bagikunzire akubenjere y'abantu bakutera burizo bayo ni nyenda tebo bayitugambira booking za tebo ninja aje pushana ntukora VIP show nikiri nabasa kora VIP show atari mu ordinary akuba tables abakugura tickets za VIP nabo bakanyiri attention muri mu diverting abantu. First of all echeche chirayive chimukozere over this weekend ni have a topic to be discussed about throughout the week. Media platform zone radio TVs hati ni have a topic I talk about discussing a show zaba truth wenkana abagize ntinyowe personally nkanye ndasho agikore okuyikumi kugarura hanze akubati ya gitire nitwetaka kumhagera konka obwire tibwo akuba truth deserves the best show konka hagitire nkiza kututeganisamo. Anyway twagaruka ni nyendo garuko kimanye abashongoza abaturani muramentinga mwena akaniga za abashongoza abakucira kuramentinga simanyi Luigi takuyendosinga itwitwe timwa to attention kurugirizo aho mwana yimukira kayeta Brian wa Omega omwana akimuka kayeta Aine wa Nikiri Kembo omwana akimuka kayeta Rocho wa Luigi kankubero wamazima ogwe tokamuhindu. He or she belongs to somewhere. He or she is a cult to that artist. Why would you waste your time ukaza kwaroringa n'abantu abo? Ecyakabiri ni bantu ki abamani abimuri mureba bakuzabira ive bibyate eshi TikTok ukakora kubikwijwe mu Uganda rumuntu twitira kari ya TikTok no yita kari no yita industry ni bantu cy'abamani abino muramwa abari muni bakora abimo kurana bazabira ivebyo unless nizo zaba brand zabo niho zatandikira katurebera mu centro oro alien skin yaho paraso roda yaho riri paso turi muntu tureba abeshongozi ni beshongozi cy'abandi abakoraje abimo kureba ivebyo nemirundenga yimo kureba Edikenzo nazabira ivebyo numutiza booking nemirundenga yimo kushanga ho Spice da nemirundenga yimo kusanga ho bashiba nemirundenga yimwa abantu abamani bona nemirundenga yimwa abashanjere badyabira ivebyo nibakaya na fans oriya fan already encourage someone aisha a commentinga, you become too emotional ogurukayo okorera wenshobi abantu abamani. That is why I scarcely come to those lives. Akuba imwete mukumanete mukora, if you're there orukumangu you want to build strong network or relationship with this audience, zomuka zomu studio, go and work. Waza akora omukora kwa wano okora jeza okukuza networks zawe na nabafans, jeza okukuza networks zawe na nabantu abarakuberero. Akashija nakagezi munonka kakora strategies zako, kakora putinga minds z'abantu bingi. Right now nimwe muri ni mutusiba ho right now imwe kenye nabeshonguzi niyo muri ni mu mujangu bochigya. I personally I credit, and I actually not only credit, I give him a distinction. I give Roger distinction, and he deserves his thumbs. Akuba buri kimwe kikoziri omusha yashaze mu kuja ngukandandike guruminga ondijo unda asigwa kuba nawe nareba rumunaka brief point yatandika kuja ngukandete black boy tiyazi imusigaho nanyempereza abandi opportunity azomu atabona yazomu titi cyabachaze na sister Charity abe yabe actually he qualifies to be there. It shouldn't be a topic to always be discussed about. Hati imwe ni muja bochigya imwe kenye na besongozi imwe nyenda mbabuzi utaka complain ngire ngo rate ya endosinga rate ya kurabyaho nemirundenga hi this is a business first of all, unless you came into music for business. Nemirundenga hi eyumurarebere besije naza platform akaza katuti mwenu ni muri yange munyabutegeki na Museveni no munyabutegeki bambi na Museveni muterera karuru na nyamuntera karuru nemirundenga emito yange teriji at some point abagya naguza cement na munyoni wanje Joram by faith naguza cement nemiru mwenu mwararebereho Joram na jati by faith ati mwiroko muzo wabagya mu mugure ho cement. This is a business. Make strategies zo kuza business zanyu muronde cults banyu muronde barabarwanirira muronde oriya yayine ba DJs beye yabahambire utafafagana nabo abana ni binji ba DJs yayine DJ oguniwe kwato wawe yayine ba presenter beye niwe kwata bawo bahambe. Why do you waste your time lamenting every day? Turumuntu tujeza okutereza kintu mwe mugaruka mwija mu kigwisi basi je champion nito bajeriro mu federation bo bakejira kujya sente ebya industry yanyu bakajerugaho, and they are doing right nabo bari muni bakorati etakabiri ndi kuhendera this goes to media personnel na ba bloggers. Ninyenda manyengu your service providers iwo murumo gwawe no kuhereza service tariho obora jiro mwe rwaro nkahambara refaro baka umushaka kubuza irwaro ni government eri funding tino buwajiro bakakuja ngo iwiwe oryo wa Bobby ningo ryo wa Museveni nibahereza service tino buwatura umwana wawe mwishomero bakakuja ishomero kakuja ngo ishomero agaga government bakaja ngo umwana na iwiwe no agera government twakira umwana wawe ninga twakira wa opposition. Etinchimanyisa ati wabo ri blogger you don't belong to certain camp wabo or presenter woine belonging you nkomuntu. Of course buri muntu na ine favorite konka waza set ninga wana okora blogs zawe etinchigamanka spokesperson wa Western Bloggers Association. Bloggers please You either be like a fan or you be a blogger. Iwe wana mangu noenda kujumo ndizo artist abwo kujangu yagamba ari artist wo kunda. Yo noronge blogger ni uri fan. Izo nyine muto wanje bambe Brad Sparks tinkwenda kusabura. Konka be a blogger. Ekintangize tuni naba bloggers abari bafana baba bloggers. Ati nambwe nimwe nyenda mutandike ko gitaho karakantu. Wori fan wo muntu konkori blogger ni oyetero nambwe Dr. Ben waketero Dr. Ben wa truth. Ati wakebera fan wa truth. So nambwe yaro naba blogger binkwenda mubeba mukagito. Jona Media uguruko Jona Media wa kansara amuntu. Ukateo akuba there is being a friend to someone okagaruka kachereka audience nyowe content yogu niyo ndukwenda ntamburiremo nyowe content yogu Brother Sparks wa Omega nacho atitandike kubuta kujangu tugambera abantu ni tugamaka ba fans when you're fighting mutazumisa media personnel abakuza set banywani wanza bakora entertainment shows za TV West. Stop going on set with feelings outside the set, with the disagreements outside the set. Kujangu kora abatari ha set tiwichirizana nogo wo bya set wagwera side yogo echo muchemereze shuwari ba brothers and sisters echo no butakombeka nyone nzaguma ngambe yo murundi gumwe konka mucenge seke rastire but not the rest oburi mweshongozi wena waburenje bwizoba eki ninkigaruka mukambe ninkigamba yombeka egari eyawe ebirayi vebe mukurara bo bya TikTok bimukusiba biri mune bibakoze seshobi nyinji munonga nyinji abinji you don't know how to handle media, you don't know tinizo biru murerebogo omukuja nabarwandusa munayija kuzo bitaga kaba marugo chikuya abarogisi aruturogera turuje mu kwato manda muzo mu kanisa babashabiri amarugo garuge kandi haticu naco kize kututezo muto batorogire ne batugwanisa akabondo ni mumukora akabondo mukoro ububondo bwanyu nyowe tinku belonginga to awesome tinku belonginga to those bubondozi akubane bamwe abakombe kabantu bashatu. We are part of the people who are advocating to fight only 3 faces on posters, on flyers, on shows. Abana bari muno bakora, people have good music. You go outside nuzaka says tipo na heri baby baherezo kuza nibwe bagire abroad murundi go kubanza. It is a story to create and you give attention. But you hear na musiba wetintu kimwe nimwenda relevance every time. Mwatandike bya muzeyi witu dani MVP. Adukora post emwe ya kabiri ni roye ya ebiri ya kashatu ni roye. Then arikwereka muno murwano you're not fighting so. My talk on behalf of very wise people. Ebyanje tibyabasu. Want few understanding people. Mwachireba kindly let us get back, concentrate on building what we have just started. Kuba abantu music batandikire kujakira anu yomwe shongo zira redone cheshongo this and that sirumunchi tera za 40 za nkai hati ni mwenda mugumene mutusiba mbarara yonka Western Uganda is not mbarara. Azuza said we are fighting for the industry nyoko. Industry doesn't belong to 1, 2, 3 people. I asked, I said to him, against industry yoya ejeji ya Western Uganda itakufuna mu government. Do you know why? You are very doomed. the industry is very doomed. Nimwenda mujikunganyiza ahantu hamwe itaruga Ratnam ukagwa we wagaruka rondengere yo ragaruka mutakutugarura we kitukugezaho kuyiyaho rondengere yo ragarukemo ijo okizaho made in mbalo necheshongoro chawe chiwabe wakora cyo runyankwe tukakwa platform echeshongoro batandika kuchiteratera mubagaruka wagenda wagojejera amweru ni musibo go kwerangira nanyonjaga nanyobukora nanyo mwena ni munyu mwena ni kimwe konka. How does that help the industry to grow? Abinji muri bafane zibeyi ahatari nabaremese mukimugo mwena mumwenamira tata imwe mugwaho tata. So guys, let us focus on building kukuza industry ya twena kandi tukubesingera muntu omwe iwe kora tena mnoma mukachete no najura roiji najura tipo na twara truth iyi ni worondo wao za kuronda shukura na kutwara with MC abwintu nondo isiba muntu omwe ni unoenda nyowe bafode tibando batariki bareke season yabere mune wayo nabo rujimu yabe gwireyo buri chasha chine generation eje genziri kandi generation eje mutajangute kutureba and it is not that they hate us, they hate what they fear. They are hating what they are fearing. We are always crossing lines that they never expected us even to reach or to see. Itwe na generation yitu abakureba itu abimukureba revedu itu batyo network access to rumuntu tukora nezanyu mwene zo kuyambimwe mwene n'abakuru n'abato. You better focus on recruiting new system. Mureke kwese abantu abina hibari they are already eating ekibari mune baryane cyetu ijomba nkababuza kurugato rw'umusho ya tipo already good noreba artwork noreba aga posters na artworks. It is because akafuna very successful show ni focusing wajifuna utandike kwa send you can't get money utaka koziriwe nka brand kungati nukunga nawe bambe kurugatoza show echeshongoro tukakirebe wachetegeze tinchecho otherwise turya office yitu ya Nkore Media kandi ni mundeba ngokundi intellectual. That's how I talk to intellectuals. The offices za Nkore Media matutaya ireho for all over our services: photography, videography, digital marketing, graphics, noenda ku copywriting music yawe abeshongozi umwanya go kurwana mwija mu copywriting music yanyu mufune mu sente kongebe byo kuzoko kusiba TikTok nyanyanyanyanyanyanyanya ke kuchingera izo. Hey bloggers concentrating on TikTok only kujanguyo ke kuchinga. Try to make sure that you become influential. Numbers are just numbers. Thank you very much. Nimbendezi zo barunji 2025 cleansing all that from our industry. Thank you.